Today, we're going to be talking about matcha green tea powder. In Japanese, ma means powder and cha means tea. So when you're eating matcha, you're actually eating the entire leaf in a powder form. Matcha is an unfermented tea that is steamed and dried and then eventually ground into a fine powder. In the spring, harvesters go out and pick the youngest and greenest tea leaves. After the steaming process, they are deveined and destemmed, and only the finest green tea leaves are then dried and pulverized into powder. I'm going to teach you how you would go about to test whether or not your matcha powder is of high quality. We just have green tea leaves, so this is not matcha because it's not deveined or destemmed. In each of these containers, I have 3 different matcha products. This is sample A, sample B, and sample C. A high grade quality matcha will have the consistency of baby powder or eyeshadow. So to figure out this part, you're gonna put some on a piece of paper, and I'm gonna take my finger and run it through. The high quality one should give a really nice smudge, but not grittiness in your hand. As you can see with this one, the powder's super fine as it adheres to my fingertips, and a bright green color compared to this one. And then this one over here doesn't even stick. If you were to actually feel these, you would see that this particular one, it feels super soft, just like baby powder. This is the brand I've been using. It's called the Sowhen, and it's matcha green tea powder, ceremonial grade. Matcha has become super popular these past few decades due to its many health benefits. It's really high in antioxidants, which can help reduce cell damage as well as reduce risk for chronic diseases. The best part is that matcha doesn't have to be just used as a tea or a cold brew like this, but it's delicious in desserts. Today, I'm going to showcase how to use matcha in a cream cheese spread, a granola, a lemonade, a cold brew, and as an ice cream topping. Let's get started. I just finished making all these matcha recipes. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I do. And if you want to give the brand the Sowhen a try, go check out their Amazon page. I have my discount code below, so feel free to use that as well. I hope you enjoy all these recipes as much as I do. And until next time, relish every bite.